Okay, so hello everyone, back to my channel. I've got a really exciting video for you. I'm doing talking about Riri hair extensions. So that might sound like a very basic video, but I literally get asked questions about Riri all the time on my Instagram, so I just thought, why not put it all in a video, answer all your questions that you want to know, show the extensions. And I thought, it's what better time to do it than now, because I don't know when this video is going up. I'm pretty sure it's going up on Friday, but don't quote me to that. I'm out of breath because I was just running around, not for fun. But yeah, basically I thought what better time to upload this, because they have the buy one get one free offer on until the end of the week. They rarely do this because it's an amazing deal, so I thought you need to get that in. You need to get the buy one get one free deal, because usually my code is only for a bit of money off. However, my code will be on the screen and in the description and in the pinned comments, and it will save you a lot of money. I mean, it's buy one get one free, so why not? So a lot of you are a bit confused how it works. You literally just have to choose 2 extensions from the website, and then obviously it gives you one free. Does that make sense? Yeah, my tops from this place on Depop, I don't really know, I'll be doing a Depop haul soon. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get into it. I'm really excited to do this. So yeah, obviously I do work with Riri, so I just thought I'd put that out there. I have a lot of questions that I asked from my Instagram, so I thought, well, why not do a little cheeky video instead. So I'm going to show you the extensions. They do all different ones. They do the normal Riri ones, which are £27.50, and then they have the deluxe ones, which are £37.50. Now the deluxe ones are slightly better feeling, they last a bit longer. But if you obviously don't want to fork out the extra £10, then honestly don't worry, the normal ones are still amazing. And they have all the ponytails, everything. So I'm not going to show you all of them today, because I'm not sure where all of them, I think a lot of them are on my wardrobe, but these are just like the ones I have right here. So I'm just going to show you my ponytail first. So oh no, hang on, we're not doing that one yet. Ignore me. Okay, right, this is the first one I'm going to show you. I'm a little bit of a mess. I'm actually not 100% sure what this one's called. This is just the normal ponytail. So actually, let me go on their website. This is very all over the place, guys, I'm so sorry, but that's just me. I'm chill. Just want to say I love the Riri hair team, they're amazing. I love Marie, love Jess, love Hayley. Hang on, who else? I can't remember anyone's names. If I forgot anyone's names, I'm really sorry. Okay, right. This ponytail, by the way, it's all really easy to put in. If you want to know how to put it in, they upload like stuff on there of the ambassadors doing tutorials on the Instagram, and there's videos on their website of how to put them in. This ponytail, so you go into their ponytail section, and oh, there's me, we're gonna get to that soon. This is just the Lily ponytail. So this is £35. It needs a good brush, I'm very sorry about that. You literally just put it in. Like, I'm not going to show you today because I am not the best at putting them in quick, because I'm just not hair-like at all. But like, go onto their Instagram, look at what their ambassadors did in the videos. There's some amazing ambassadors that are amazing at hair. And yeah, it's just, this is probably one of my favourite ponytails, because it just gives you that extra, you know, that extra like, oh yeah, you get me? Okay, right, they come in these boxes, by the way, which I think is really cute. It says hair by Marie. It's got on the back. I just like the packaging. Right, this one I absolutely love. Actually, this probably is my favourite ponytail. I don't know, they're all my favourite. This one is called the Bella ponytail, and it's like this. This one is also 35, which is really a bargain. It's so easy to put in. It's got a clip, it's got a drawstring. You can take the clip out as well if you just want to have the drawstring thing. Look, it's amazing. Can you see how good quality it is as well? And this is synthetic hair, however they do real hair extensions, but they're obviously a lot more pricey because it's real hair extensions. But yeah, I absolutely love this one. It just feels so nice. It smells nice as well. They aren't actually the best match to my hair at the moment, because I toned my hair, and obviously it brought out the really white highlights in my hair, and this is more like brassier tone, so it does match my hair usually. It's just right now used a toner, so it made my hair like really quite white. Okay, and then I have this ponytail to show you all. Oh, this is amazing. I absolutely love it. Okay, this one's in a bit of a mess. By the way, if you like hang them up or keep them really nice, they don't like scrumple up at all. It's just I have no room in my wardrobe, so I have to keep them in their boxes. This one is the Roxy ponytail, which is also 35. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? Oh, it's so nice. And I like styling this into a bun, so like when it's on my head like that. That looks awful, but you get what I mean. I absolutely love it so much. Yeah, I love it. Love it. It's just so curly. I like how they do the different ponytails. So obviously in the buy one get one free offer, you can get maybe a Roxy ponytail and a Bella ponytail, or you can get just a normal extensions and then a ponytail, whatever. So yeah. And then we have, what do we have here? This is the normal straight ones. These are the deluxe. I'm gonna actually get my brush and brush them for you. Ow. Let me find my Riri brush. Guys, I don't know where my Riri brush is. Where's my Riri brush? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit unorganised. I can't find my Riri brush. I do prefer using the Riri brush because it is a really nice brush, and to be honest, it's quite affordable. So, yeah, what's happened to my camera? Jesus Christ. This is how easy. So if they're a bit like mangled like mine, because I need to hang mine up. You literally just brush them like normal hair. Hang on. Literally just brush them like normal hair. Oh my god, I thought I had pulled one of my things out. Yeah, and look, I don't know why, but this brush is really static. Like when I even brush my own hair, can you see how amazing condition that looks? Like, that's how easy it is to brush. Okay, so these are the normal straight ones. This is the deluxe, so it's £37.50. It is literally just one strip that actually looks like... I promise they do usually match my hair, obviously, because I upload pictures in them. But it's just, I literally toned my hair like 2 days ago, but the toner only lasts 8 washes, so whatever. This is... Oh my god, it feels unreal. I love it. Yes, basically, it is so easy. It just literally has 4 strips. And then you section like half your hair, put it on your head, and then you obviously undo the clips and you then put it around your hair like that. Obviously I'm not going to put it in. And then you have lovely thick locks. Take it away. Oh, back to my thin hair. No. They are so easy to put in. Like, if you do want to watch me put them in, there's a video of me when I had blonde hair, like this time last year. Just type in summeryxoxo Riri and it will come up, and I actually showed me putting them in. So if you do want to see, or they literally just have tutorials on their website. But yeah, that's the straight one. Okay, and then we have, I'm pretty sure this is the curly extensions. Yeah, it is. Oh, I'm so excited. Love the curly ones. These, oh, by the way, the straight ones are 24-inch, but you can get them in a shorter length. Let me actually check. Hair extensions. Okay, so you can get the 24-inch straight, but you can also get the... Hang on. You can also get... I'm so unorganised, I'm really sorry. You can also get 18-inch, which is shorter if you want shorter hair, but anyone can use any of them. Even if you've got like a bob, if you want to use a 24-inch, you can use them. The curly ones are, these are come in, hang on, these come in 20-inch and 16-inch, and this is what they look like. I think they are unreal. Like, look how easy they are to brush. I love them when they're brushed. Oh, look at that. I swear they're longer than 20-inch. That is unreal. Like, can you see how nice them curls are? I love it. Sorry, I love it. Just got to put it out there. I need to curl my hair and put these in because they're gorgeous. Oh, I love them. Okay, so now a lot of people are like, how do I know what colour I am? Because they've got all different colours on the website which you can select. They are always on the Instagram. They are always answering DMs. So literally just DM them a picture of your hair in natural daylight. So like, get someone else to take a picture of the back of your hair in natural daylight. send a DM to Riri and just be like, hey, can I have a colour match? Send the picture, they'll give you one. It's easy, it's free, it's sorted, and then you can buy your extensions, which I think is amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to answer some questions I get a lot. Okay, so are the clips visible in your hair? No, if you put them in properly, they won't be, and they're quite easy to put in, so I don't see why you would. I obviously make sure you put them under enough hair to cover, it's like your own hair covers the clips, you get what I mean? But they are really easy to put in. Can I wear them with my nano rings as well? Yes, you can. I actually have nano rings, and I do wear them for like extra, if I want extra, and also I love wearing the ponytails because they're just like nice styled ponytails, and I can't do my ponytails like that because I'm just not hair-like. Okay, can you put heat on them? No, you can't because they're synthetic hair. However, I suppose if you're buying a straight and a curly, you might as well just do it in the buy one get one free, because if you buy straight and a curly, you won't need to use heat on them because they're already straight and already curly. Obviously, if you want to have them wavy, then I don't really know, you can't. But yeah. Oh, I also forgot to show this because someone actually asked about this. This is my ponytail that's been named after me, and it's real hair, and I'm really happy. I can't believe it. It's the summer ponytail. This is real hair, and it actually feels amazing. Like, it's actually so nice. It feels exactly like real hair. It's lovely. Oh, I love it. Okay, this is literally so easy to put in. I actually did a tutorial on this. So if you go over to Riri's Instagram and scroll down a bit, it will be on there of how to put it in. Look, isn't that unreal? I'm so annoyed that my hair's changing all colours because I haven't had my highlights in ages. So my hair's growing back really dark, so I can't, it doesn't even like, oh my god. Yeah, anyway, this you can use heat on. You can curl it, you can wave it, you can do literally whatever. You can wash it, it's real hair. So you can treat it like your real hair. And this one is a bit more pricey and it isn't included in the deal. But I would definitely fork out for this because, oh, it's amazing. And it's called Summer. Also, there is a rosy ponytail, but I don't actually know where mine's gone. And it's a really long ponytail. It literally looks like Ariana Grande. Oh my god, it's so nice. I love it. Back to the questions. Do they damage your hair? That's the shower. I'm going to talk over it. No, they don't damage your hair because they're just clip-ins. You can take them out when you want, put them in when you want, whatever. They do not damage your hair at all. Does it get knotty after a while? Like, they obviously can get knotty, but you just brush them like it's like hair. When your hair gets knotty, you brush it and it's fine. When they get knotty, you brush it and it's fine. And make sure you're storing them quite well, unlike me. Does it look like real hair? Yeah, it blends in with your hair, so if it's a good colour match, it does look like real hair. It just looks like your whole hair. Obviously, the ponytails don't look like as much as your real hair because they are very over the top. But if you just want to have that natural look but also have long and thick hair, they do blend in so well if you put them in correctly. That is right. Are the colour matches spot on? I'm scared if I order the wrong colour. Okay, I've had my, this is what I replied. I've had my hair colour matched online and it's always right. Obviously, just make sure you send it in complete natural daylight and make it clear. So that is all what I'm going to be saying because there's not much more I can say. I'm just doing this video because I always get questions on Riri, always get DMs, what's your code, what's your code? So I thought I'm going to do the video because it's buy one get one free, guys. You have, when this is going up, you have like Friday, Saturday and Sunday left. Get it. I mean, you don't have to, but I'm just saying, if you're thinking about it, I'll just go for it. Treat yourself. Buy one get one free. It's next day delivery before 3 PM. Amazing if you order before 3 PM. Yeah, I love Riri so much, so yeah, I really hope you enjoyed my video. And yeah, go follow their Instagram, all of that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you all on Sunday for a new video. I love you all so much. Bye.